So what is up, boys? Today is MotoVlog day and we are on the Honda Grom today, and I'll explain why we were on the Grom. You could probably already tell, but we are taking the Honda Grom today, and if you saw by the title and thumbnail of this video, today is the last video with this GoPro, and I have never been more excited in my life. We will talk about that more on the ride. So I have no destination in mind. We're just gonna go have some genuine fun. We just so happen to get a 70-degree day in the middle of February, and then tomorrow it turns back into 20. So how am I not gonna take advantage of a 70-degree day? The reason we were on the Grom is because she got some brand new shoes. Look at those. They aren't even barely a day old. Shout out Stone for helping me put them on and going to pick them up. He took me, so thank you, Stone. So the Grom feels like a brand new motorcycle. We got rid of them V-rubbers. The back tire, we ended up getting a flat and had to replace it, so that's why she got new shoes, and they're a big improvement over the V-rubbers anyway. But enough yapping, baby. Let's get on the road and film the last video with this GoPro. Oh boys, am I excited for this. Now, like I said in the intro, we don't have a destination in mind, but I'm thinking about mobbing to my old hometown that I go to in a lot of videos. It's about, by Grom, it's like 35 minutes, so it's the perfect, like, little bit of a break-in for the tires. And up here, it's actually supposed to be, like, super windy. My girlfriend's actually been out of town in Las Vegas, and it's been nothing but windy, and I think it's starting to catch up to us now. But down in Inglewood, it's supposed to be more like 73 and not windy, so I think that's what we are gonna do. So the Grom feels like $1 million bucks. I'm not gonna lie, I enjoy it a lot. It feels very good, and I haven't been able to film on any bike in a long time because over the last about month and a half, most of January, I didn't film at all in January. Oh my god, just look how she just leans. Oh my god, these tires feel amazing. Most of the time in January, it was below like 20 degrees, so no thank you. And out of nowhere, we just happened to get a super nice random Friday, so I am absolutely not complaining. I'm so happy we were able to get the tires on quickly. They weren't expensive. If you want to know, for both tires, we paid $159 for both, and then to install them, it was $62. So not terrible, and I know these should last me a long time. They only had two options. They had these or super aggressive knobbies, and I didn't really want to go knobby. So, you know, I'm definitely happy with my decision. This bike feels like $1 million bucks, and they're only, I think the guys that installed them, they put them at 25. I usually run them at about 30, so not that big of a difference. And you know, it was quite the adventure trying to get that front tire on without a front jack. I have a rear stand, but not a front stand, and it sucked. Let me tell you, it was not fun. Now, a few of you may be wondering about the title, and a few of you already know what to expect if you are familiar with GoPro. But so a little bit of the explanation. Next video, I am going to do a completely new helmet setup, and I think you guys are going to be very impressed with the quality difference and very impressed with the audio difference as well. This GoPro's just let me down too many times. Like even a day like today, when we're at speed, there's wind going through the camera. I've had it overheat way more times than I can count. I've had glitchy footage that you'll see in the next upcoming video, and I've had no audio, and I'm sick of it. This camera was very expensive. I bought it like I think a week after it came out. Yeah, it was probably my fault. Should have done a little bit more research, but you know, I started with GoPro. I trusted GoPro, and they just let me down for the last time, and I'm sick of it. And I will be making a switch to DJI. I had never owned any other DJI stuff. The first DJI product I ever owned was the Pocket 3, and that has been my absolute favorite camera of all time, and I have never, ever had one issue with that Pocket 3. Not once. My 360 camera, the Insta, the X3, never once have I had an issue with it. And this new mic setup that I have, hopefully, it is insane. It's insane. Okay, it's gonna be crazy, and I'm very excited. It is gonna probably be the next video after this one next Friday, because I'm that excited to get all of these wires out of my helmet for good, and just kind of like move in towards the future and say goodbye to GoPro officially. I cannot stand it anymore. They've let me down. I'm sure you guys have experienced it. If you've used GoPro, I'm sure it hasn't been a great experience. If it has, let me know what you did differently, because it's been a nightmare for me. That dude's playing with an RC car. That's so sick. That's rad. That's sick. But I got off track. Let me know what your guys' experiences GoPro have been, and if it overheats or anything on this trip, I will be sure to let you know. But this is officially the last official video and filmed with this GoPro Hero 12 Black. So enough about the negative. That is what the title and thumbnail means. Now let's have some fun and enjoy this 70-degree Colorado day. Real quick too, I forgot to mention, I'm gonna go more in depth. I have an entire like 2 pages of pros and cons and reasons I'm switching saved for the next video. So don't think I'm just like, that's like the only reasons, because it's not. So I'm not, you know, just glancing over it. There is a bunch of other reasons that if you're curious, if you're, you know, between GoPro or DJI, make sure you stay tuned for next week's video, because I will go completely in depth all the way and show you examples of why. Forgot to mention that. I'm not skimming over it. I just want to have a good ride and not even think about this camera. I want to pretend this camera's not even on my face, because a lot of times this camera doesn't even let me enjoy the rides because of how miserable it makes me. So enough about the camera. Let's enjoy this ride. Man, if it wasn't for a little bit of wind, today would be absolutely perfect. It is perfect. I'm not even complaining. I have to drop down to the forest. I'm not even complaining one bit. I haven't seen hardly any snow on the ground. Oh my gosh, I'm not cold at all, but I did bring a coat just in case I'm out a long time. You know, it's kind of nice. I'm kind of enjoying it, you know. I mean, that's just hard to beat right there. That is so beautiful. I can't wait though until it's, you know, warm and I'm able to take you guys up into the mountains, because I did that a little bit last year. I took the Grom to 10,000 feet, and that was such a fun video. You know, I was always worried about filming motorcycle videos because of this GoPro. Back to the GoPro. But now I don't have to worry about that. I know the footage is going to be there. I know it's going to be reliable. I know I can film super long. I'm excited. I've had a smile on my face this entire time. You have no idea. I can't believe how much of a new bike this feels with new tires on it, with like actual better tires on it. People say the V-rubbers suck, and I get it. I get it. After riding these, the bike feels like a whole new machine. I'll get off the bike when we get to like a spot we can park, and I'll tell you exactly what tires these are. I'm definitely starting to feel the wind a little bit more down here. I'm getting blown over a little bit, and I'm going into a headwind. You can probably see how shaky it is and probably hear it. Can you imagine I was like leaving to get away from the wind, and I end up like going more into the wind, you know? Look at that line for Costco gas. Holy, no way. I'm sure you save a lot of money. Nah, I ain't waiting and all that. No, there is no way you save that much money by going to Costco, right? I mean, I guess you'd save it. Well, don't you? Okay, do you save money at Costco? Like, you buy in bulk, but does that mean you're saving money, or does that just mean you want to buy in bulk and other places don't sell that big a bulk? So do you buy bulk gas there? Is that how that works? I don't know. I'm an idiot. I've been thinking of some more stuff to do to the Grom. What are you guys thinking? I like the red, but kind of want to change it from red. I feel like red is just, you know, red's cool. My other bike is red, but I kind of want to, like, you know, I want to have the Grom stick out a little bit, kind of, you know? Do you guys suggest any colors that you think would look kind of good? We're having to stop because there's geese crossing the road. I was wondering why everybody was stopping. Hi. I like geese. I haven't seen geese cross the road like that in a while. It's crazy that they choose to like cross, or they want to cross the road like that. Like, they can fly. I would never walk again if I could fly. Hello? Look at that, boys. We made it. We made it to where I was headed. Knock on wood. I guess I probably should have knocked on wood before I said that out, because we're still on the road. But I'm gonna be honest, I need a place to pull over for a second, because if you saw the last couple videos, I have super long hair now, and it is in my eyes extremely bad. Oh yeah, I finally get to get the hair out of my face. Recovery Road. Yeah, I know it's kind of weird. The one place I chose to get the hair out of my face is a Alcohol Anonymous building, but you know, it is what it is. I'm just gonna pull right here. All right, we'll see you in a second. I love having long hair, but gosh darn, is it a freaking hassle, dude. Holy. We are on our way out of here. I guess we'll just check up. Oh, I can check on the tires for you. So yeah, they are Dunlop Scooter Smart 2s. That's what they are. So there you go, Dunlop Scooter Smarts. And so far they've been really good. I'm very happy with them so far. They're fun. Way better, way better than the V-rubbers. So enough yapping. Let's get back on the road. And what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna ride around Inglewood a little bit, enjoy it, you know, have fun. Last video with the, you know, the last video with the GoPro, have some fun. What I'm gonna do is I brought the new camera that I'm replacing the GoPro with me, just no microphone. So what I'm gonna do is on the way home, I'm gonna play with it and record some clips, you know, different frame rates, you know, stuff like that, and see what I end up liking the best for you guys. So I always film in 4K 60, but I've been really liking the look of 4K 30 and with some ND filters. Now that is a little bit out of my knowledge. ND filters are a little bit, you know, far stretched from my brain capacity, right? So I don't know if I'm gonna be there yet, but that's what I mainly kind of wanted to do. I wanted to come on a longer ride where I could constantly pull off, film, pull off, film, pull off, film, pull off, right? And you know, see scenery, see different colors, and, you know, try D-Log M so I can color grade, try normal, and see what I like the best. And if I was just in one area, you know, if I was one area, I'd only see like the same thing over and over. So this way I get city, I get some buildings, I get the coming back to the mountains, I get the highway and all that stuff just without a mic, because I know the mic is going to be good. So that's the plan, and that's kind of the reason behind this video. So yes, I am eventually going to switch it out. So let's just go have some fun, and we'll do that towards the end of the video. I think I'm going to go by my old childhood house. I kind of want to see it. Let's just go take a look at it. Let's just go take a look and see what's up. Maybe go down the alley, because it's kind of cool. It's like a little Easter egg, but it's kind of funny to talk about. Me and Stone, you know, my best friend, he's in a lot of my videos. You know, me and Stone have known each other since about middle school. And fun fact, my grandma and his grandma literally lived 2 houses away, and we never knew it. We had never had any idea until one day we were just driving around hanging out. I was like, oh, there's my old grandma's house. He's like, really? He was like, my grandma used to live right there. So it was kind of crazy to like be like, we like lived that close to each other and never knew each other, and then now we're like super good best friends. So it's kind of cool. So we'll go down memory lane a little bit and head that way and check that out. I haven't been down here in so long. This hospital is completely new, and look at these buildings. These are brand new. I have never seen that in my life. Wow, Inglewood has changed so much. Just like this right here used to be my mom's work. This parking lot used to be a building. It was a building. My mom worked there. Oh, hello, Miata. That's sick. God, I love that. Hey, sir, if you own that Miata, can you help me do mine? This was my childhood street, boys. Wow. Oh, that house is for sale. Oh, they made it like a pull-through driveway. Well, the alley's still not paved. Brand new tires in an alley. Kind of scary, but hopefully there's nothing that can, you know, catastrophically, you know, ruin my tires. It's crazy to just see how, like, much your childhood home has, like, you know, changed, and how much your childhood city has changed. It's crazy. Let's see. This one, right where this guy's walking in front of, right there. Wow, it's changed so much. That is wild. Is that an Audi carrying a camper? Okay, that's definitely not something you see every day. What the hell? Oh, look, you can see the storm rolling in over the mountains up there. Oh, lordy. Do you see those clouds up there? Oh, no. Oh, I hope that doesn't hit us, huh? That would not be very fun. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to start heading up there now, just in case I didn't even notice that. So just in case that starts happening, I'm going to pull up here. I'll probably go to like Chuck E. Cheese and in the vlog in that parking garage, just so we can have just a little bit more fun before I switch to the other camera and into this vlog. Man, that makes me nervous. There's a lot of clouds up there that look like snow clouds. Okay, I get scared right here. No, Prius. No, suck it. No. I don't like, no, those are just scary situations. I've got cars coming from every single angle, and you know one of them ain't paying attention. There's the gargoyles. Sup, boys? Well, we're almost to our destination, boys. Unfortunately, our time will be coming to an end soon. You know, let's just stop right here and do it, because we can see the mountains. Yeah. Boop. So I hope you guys enjoyed coming on this little trip with me. I'm so happy the Grom got new shoes. The adventures that are going to be coming with this in the summertime are going to be very, very fun. So you guys already know the drill. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share with a friend. And I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye, GoPro. Later.